Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a Anim image ID that you can use with your picture frames prop in Grow Garden 2. So first you need to get a picture frames from the picture frames crate that you can buy with 350,000, and when you open it you will receive a random picture frames. In here I got the small one like this, and to use it, you just need tap on edit. This one, just tap on edit, and then in here for the first new anim image ID, you can just uh, type this code, this one, and then you will get this anim. This one, it's so cute. And then for the second ID is this one, like this. I think it's so beautiful. And then for the third ID is this one, like this. You can see it, it's so cute. And okay, that's it, the three new anim image ID for your picture frames in Grow a Garden 2. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.